So we're gonna get started today. This live stream is to make up for the live stream that we did not do on Monday. Today's currently Tuesday. Usually I go live yesterday, 8 p.m. Central Time, but I wasn't here, so I was on vacation and got back last night. And anyway, so we're gonna do this live stream. Then from next week it will be back to normal schedule. So yeah, let's get started here on Bitcoin. I was gonna go live tomorrow. I just thought we'd do it today. That way, tomorrow I can worry about getting back to my home because right now I'm at my parents' house. So yeah, I know I travel a lot in the summertime. Anyways, we're gonna look at Bitcoin. We're gonna look at Bitcoin 2.0. I did a hedge trade on that from 22 cents with a stop loss at 20 cents for a long and a stop loss at 24 cents for a short. And obviously the long is working out. I had a tad more money in the short trade, so I was hoping it was going to go down, but it was very similar. I thought they were both even. I guess there was a few more cents in the other trade, but it doesn't matter. I'm starting off a very small account, so it's just kind of fun money. We'll see if it can turn into a few $100s into a few thousand and go from there. But I'm starting with $10 for like a challenge account, just for fun. So nothing serious. If I lose $10, well, I lose $10. I don't know how many times we've tried this and failed, but I'm kind of using a different strategy to hedge it using only 10x leverage, and we'll see what happens from there. So that's kind of where I stand with this challenge account. I started it a few days ago, and yeah. So all right, right now Bitcoin is currently at $29,200. Where are we at in the live stream? We've been currently live for 15 minutes. I'm just going to post in the chat. Stream starts at 14. All right. So if people are watching it later, hopefully they can get that message. I might have to actually post it in the comment section. But anyways, all right. So let's look at Bitcoin. Before I look at Bitcoin, I should probably go live on my TikTok channel as well. Welcome if you guys are new. Appreciate if you guys are new. Appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, hit the follow button. It does help out the channel. If you guys are watching YouTube, hit the notification bell, which is this is another person I follow a lot. I'm just going to use one of his videos as an example.
Good afternoon to everybody.
Make sure you hit this, which I'm not doing for him, but make sure you hit the bell. That way you get notified every time I post a video or go live. It really does help me out, and it helps you out knowing when I go live, because if you're a fan of my channel, you might as well know when I go live. So with that being said, let me get set. So we're live on TikTok. We're live on YouTube. We're ready to go. We're back on schedule now with this live stream. I don't know how long this is going to be. Obviously, if we get more requests, this stream will go longer. If I don't get requests, then it won't go as long. But I just want to get out there, make a quick video, and go from there. So play it by ear. Right now, Fair Greed Index is at neutral. I always like to look at this before we start the stream. With that in mind, I think the market has more upside. That's just my personal opinion, and that's also what the market is saying. So we're going to look at Bitcoin. We're going to dive into Bitcoin 2.0. That's the trade I'm currently in. Pogate's also having a very nice day, up 28%. We might even look at Poga. I might do a video on Poga as well. But anyways, looking at Bitcoin right now, let's start on the daily time frame. I did say, I think last time I did a Bitcoin update, but since then we've broken down below 29.5. We've broken out this bull pennant that we had to the downside. We went down 28.7. I didn't even know you broke 29K, but I guess we did break 29K. And we went down to that support 28.7, and it's looking like you're going to probably continue lower. Now, unless you get above $29,500, it's looking like more downside is possible. We're probably going to start a new range. A daily chart on the stock RSI is oversold, ready for a bounce. But I mean, to me, technically on the daily chart, that's a higher low. But overall, smaller time frames don't look great right now. 4-hour chart is making a higher low, making a lower low, and we'll see what happens here. But my guess is it doesn't get above 29.5, although that's only $300 higher. So, and the stock RSI has more room, so we'll see what happens. But I wouldn't be surprised if we start a new range here from like 28.7 to 29.5, whereas before your range was 29.5 to like 33.3. Actually, I would say the range was up to like 31.9 actually. So the new range could be the top of, or it could be the bottom of the last range, if that makes any sense. So 29.5 used to be support. Now I think it's going to act as a resistance. We'll see. If you close the daily candle above 29.5, it'll be bullish again. But right now, this is the new range I think we're in. 1-hour chart is also no bear flag. It's still pretty much overbought. Not really getting much of a push up. If you just want to say like this is kind of your bear flag, bear pennant, whatever you want to say. To me, that's what I'm looking at right now. And here's your flag. So just this is the bearish scenario, is that we keep going lower. And that's just kind of the bearish scenario, is that Bitcoin does keep going to the downside down to 27,500. That is the bearish scenario, and we'll see what happens. But that's the bearish scenario. The bull scenario is you break about 29.5, and then you're back into this previous range on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart has more steam, so it could definitely get a pump more than $300 back into this range. But if you don't get a move above 29.5, there's no reason to be bullish. So that's kind of setting the tone for the rest of the market. But some of these altcoins, meme coins, shit coins, whatever you want to call them, are having a fun rally day, and it just doesn't seem like it matters. PP 2.0, I just made a video on that maybe an hour ago. I said if it breaks 27, I'm bullish on this. It's looking like it's testing that level right now, and I'm excited about that. Market cap was just $4 million. Now it's probably $6 or $7 million. Still technically a long race to go to the upside, but let's look at Pogi Coin. Appreciate the follow, Mary. So let's look at Pogi Coin. Anyways, Pogi Coin, Pogi. I'm going to make a video about this, so bear with me. Testing. Welcome to the Crypto Boss Industry family. If you guys are new, make sure you hit the follow and subscribe button. Also hit that bell for notifications so you get notified every time I go live and post a video. So let's look at Pogi Coin, complete shitcoin, daily charts overbought, so be cautious, high risk trade, high risk setup. But let's look at this really quick. So the green lines are where I had entries. I'm not in a trade right now, so I might as well delete those. And we're going to start and just draw support lines. So that is support there at 10. And if I keep zooming out on the 4-hour chart, you have good support down here at 5, which is even lower. And then for resistance, you went straight up and straight down when this first came out on Mex Global. And I think this is pretty much maybe a few days. It got listed on Mex Global right after it launched. So I would also say that that's obviously your all-time high. So I'll put a all-time high resistance, which I always mark those as purple if you guys didn't know. And I guess that's probably resistance there too. So those, you don't have a lot of resistance from 10, which you're well above now, all the way up to basically 40. This thing could really keep going. I'm not trying to get you excited or nothing, not financial advice, but this thing does not have much resistance until you hit 40, which is like a 400% move to the upside from here. It's a little bit less than that now. But 4-hour chart has more steam to go on the stock RSI. The Ichimoku cloud is still bullish as long as you stay above 10.2. And the 1-hour chart right now on this has a little more steam, not much. 1-hour chart is also bullish as long as you stay above 12.4. And the 15-minute chart right now is bullish on the Ichimoku cloud as long as you stay above 13, basically 13.1. And 15-minute chart is starting to make a higher low. Also, what I see right now is a bull flag, bull pennant. So I would just take that from the top of the last wick to the bottom of the last low, and that's where you would get your measured move on Pogi. Your measured move on Pogi to the upside is approximately 15.8. That's very likely to happen. Not financial advice, just because you don't have any resistance until you get up to 40 on the macro time frame. So to me, this is a very high likely trade. If I was not in a trade on Bitcoin 2.0, I would probably be in a trade on this because this looks like a high risk trade to the upside. We'll see. Nothing's guaranteed, but this does look like it could keep going up. Pogi looks like it could make a move back to 18, and honestly, if you just take a longer term trade, I would not be surprised at all if it revisited that high at 40. It is kind of a meme coin with no use case, so take that into mind when you're doing a trade. But I had this trade set up back here for a bear flag. That never played out, so I might as well just delete that. But that's kind of the trade setup on Pogi. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends so they can stay updated as well to what's happening in the crypto markets. If you guys have requests for other altcoins you would like me to look at, if I can talk, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Wow, that was a long video. But anyways, I did want to make that quick update on Pogi because I do think Pogi could have a nice run coming up soon. Chad Jeets, welcome to the chat. I don't know what you're talking about, but Harry Potter, I have no idea. Is that a coin? That's crazy. All right, so I probably need to do another update on Bitcoin 2.0 because it is just running. So I don't know. Maybe I'll just wait a little bit longer just to see what happens with it. If there's any requests for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below, and I will look at them. Otherwise, with that being said, that's kind of all I wanted to talk about. Pogi looks like a high Bitcoin 2 and Pogi both look like they could continue to the upside, especially because even if you look at Bitcoin 2.0, whoops, your next resistance, you're at 26 cents right now. Your next resistance is 42. I'll make a video on this. Screw it. Testing. Welcome to the Crypto Boss Ginger family. If you guys are new, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe button, and hit the bell for notifications so you get notified every time I go live. I just made a video on Bitcoin 2.0, but I thought I'd go live or make another video because it broke 27, and that was the line I said you have to be above to be bullish. Technically now it's below it, but is in a very fast uptrend recently. So Pogi looks good to me, but also Bitcoin 2.0 would be the second best option. I'm currently in a trade from 24 cents. Your next resistance is 40 cents, basically 41 cents. And above that, you're looking at 54 cents. And above that, you're looking at basically all-time highs at 90 cents. So to me, there's a high chance, not financial advice, but that you do get a move all the way back up to 90 cents just because there's not much resistance there. Now, obviously, that's 276%. Now, I'm not saying that's going to happen overnight, but it could happen very quickly because back here it happened in just a matter of days. And this could also, if you just are trying to be bullish on this, you could say this is a massive falling wedge with a measure move. If you take from the last high to the last local low on this chart, you could just say this is a massive falling wedge that's about to break out. Or you could say you're in a massive downtrend. Either one is valid, but if you look in the bullish scenario, that would take you back to $1.10 for a new all-time high. That's actually a nice falling wedge if you really want to think about it. And to me, yeah, that's possible. Now, what worries me is that 12-hour chart just got stock RSI dated. 12-hour chart has room to go. So does the 6-hour. 4-hour chart is getting close to being overbought without much of a breakout, and you're barely above the breakout point, which I said was 27. Oh, now you're at 28.5. Wow, we're really moving. So by the time you watch this video, maybe it's over. 1-hour chart has more steam, like I just said. That probably hasn't changed from the last video. And the 50-minute chart is cooked. So be cautious, but you're just broke out of the 200-day moving average on the 15-minute chart. So to me, this could keep going. 29 cents it just touched. Wow. So this is definitely some sort of breakout trade from 24 cents on 10x leverage. Probably up several 100% now on that trade. But basically, I'm just trading the 15-minute chart right now. So on the Ikimoki Cloud, which my stop should now be at 24 cents, which is break even, which is where it's at. Actually, I think I'll have to double check that, but I'm supposed to move my stop up now according to this indicator at 24 cents. So that's kind of, this looks like it could keep going. The next resistance, if you do break out of this channel and break out of this downtrend, is 42 cents. So that could be the next stop. 15-minute chart does need to reset before you keep going up. But if we go to the 7-minute to see what's going to happen, the 7-minute's still overbought too. I would like to see some sort of flag, some sort of bull flag on the 7-minute chart just to see if it's going to keep going up or not. Even the 1 minute really isn't giving much data just yet. But I would watch this. I would not be surprised if this guy moved back to 41, 42 cents. So if you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below, and I will do them. Until then, trade safe, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream, which will be Saturday at 3 p.m. Central Time. Okay, that was another long update, but I thought it was needed. I don't know how many people are interested in these scam coins, but if you can make money on them, what difference does it make? How they trade or whatever. So, Harry Potter, that can't possibly be a coin, can it be? Nah, dude. Do you have a contract address for that? Because that's ridiculous. I'm not typing that in. But yeah. So Pogi and Bitcoin 2 is the two. If I had more money in this account, I would probably put money in Pogi, but I don't. So I'm not going to deposit more. So, but Pogi definitely could be a good trade setup in my humble opinion. So, anyways, with that being said, guys, if there's requests for coins, let me know and I'll look at them. Otherwise, Chad, if you want to send me the Ethereum address or whatever, so I can put in Dex tools, I'll look at it, I suppose. But it sounds like a scam coin to me. Appreciate the follow, Rodriguez. So, with that being said, guys, hopefully you all are having a great Tuesday. Appreciate Chad if you want to hit the like button, and then I'll look at that coin for you. But anyways, I'm going to get on out of here. I'll be back live Saturday, 3 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe and have a great week. We're going to be back to our normal live stream schedule this upcoming week. There's no point in being live on TikTok when there's one person watching. So if there's I think if I start being more consistent, we'll get more viewers again. But anyways, Chad, if you have the contract address to look at it, otherwise in about 30 seconds I'm going to end this stream if I don't hear from you. And yeah. That's kind of what I'm looking at for crypto. All right, well, okay. I'm going to end the stream.